action. You're on.
Hi guys.
Talk louder, I can't hear you.
Hi guys.
Alright, go.
I can't. Hi guys. Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
I'm Giovanna.
I'm Giovanna. I made the cheer team. I made the cheer team. Rocky. One's my brother's and one's mine. So, their both name are Rocky. Both. The both name is Rocky. And this one's mine, it's a one eye. And this one is two eyes. So, think about not this one, my brother. Yes, this one. They always catch for something. When dropping. Have you guys got big squishies? So yeah, big squishies. Ew. Don't look at this. Here, that's what color can choose. I think it's an owl. Owl, skin, owl. Yeah. You only look at an owl. Oh, okay. So it was like this, and you didn't know it was that. I don't think so. It's an owl. It has wings. I don't know what these. Maybe it's their ears, and in each end, you can get prizes. Prizes. You can get this one, or this one, or this one, or the other one where you get a kitty, unicorn, owl, in bed, and triangle. So it starts on B. Button. His name's Bun. His name. Unicorn. It's not just a unicorn. It's a unicorn. Good job, it's a unicorn bunny. It's a unicorn bunny. And my mom did, she stuffed it. And just guess what she did? That's what we did. But don't tell my mom. So, we're getting ready for a big answer. Smallest. Guys, smallest. Oh yeah. So, oh my god. This is baby. It's a baby. It's a baby. This is for our baby. The baby pants. It has outfits on it. Outfits. And okay. So these are animals we got. So they're real animals, right? The real and the one tree. You see yours? You see yours? So go get that thing. Look. Rabbit, rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit. Rabbit. Look at. Oh. Give me a thing. Look at that. Bye-bye. Okay. Stay right here. So we have more animals, and we have more animals, but I can't show my bunch of animals. My bunch of animals are in downstairs in playroom, and I gotta get them. So yeah, Tim, he's resting and he does bite. He does an EV bite. Back on camera. You know, just snake go. So yeah, I think we got 6 animals. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 animals. No. So baby Angel's coming out, but not now. When we wake up, so baby Angel's up, and then we're doing a job at baby Angela. Guys, it can definitely not fit me. My wears pants and watch. It can definitely fit me. That's it. Look, guys. Just look it. I'm wearing it. Look at it. Because it's stuck at me. Guys, I need that. Guys, so I can put animals in here. Any kind of animals I can. The animals. Not right now. You can just find a really spot to put animals right here. And these are my pretty animals. And I kind of like animals. Which kitty do you like first?
I can say bye, subscribe, like my video.
Bye, subscribe.
Ready? Say subscribe, like my video.